She clocks in early, 2 jobs to the bone. The little boy waiting, her strength keeps him home. At night she whispers, Lord, keep us strong. Her heart beats for justice, but love feels so wrong. Josh stands in the shadows, that shining dim. Sworn to the law, but his heart beats for her him.
Because it was my son's birthday, and so I'm just like I just like took a bit, cook a little bit. I cooked pancit. I'm gonna freaking edit that out. I was so tired last night because we got home like really late because my son and his friends, they were just enjoying their time. It's like, oh, you know what? So I just let them enjoy the playing together. Like, I just let them enjoy like hanging out with each other, like some like enjoying time. So I'm like, oh, okay. So I'm so tired. So I'm gonna edit it, but while I'm cooking roast beef tonight because you probably want to eat that because there's nothing for it, and then I'm gonna make the shrimp with butter thingy. I'm gonna do that, steam the thing, and then later I'm gonna make escaldo, the rice thingy, the Filipino rice, the Filipino soup thingy. So I'm gonna make that. So I'm like, oh, okay. So because I bought some chicken, and then during the Super Bowl I'm gonna freaking cook. But I'm also gonna go live on Twitch. So yeah, it's like you see. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, it's like it's snowing. Holy shit, it's snowing.
Life's not always so bad, but deep in her chest the ache starts to grow for love that must hide.
So I'm like, I have freaking court tomorrow morning and I have a funeral too tomorrow. So I'm like, so that's why I have to wear all black tomorrow. I have to wash my bra because I have no bra right now. I might call it, what is it called? Can't take out a winner just to see if they have bras for sale because I need.
Lord, keep us strong.
And I could be a passenger princess. And I thought Officer
Josh stands in the shadows, that shining dim. Sworn to the law, but his heart beats for her him. Under the streetlights, they steal a small glance. In a world of protest, they took a chance. Love on the quiet, where no one can see. Hiding in shadows, just him and me. The lines may be blurred, but the heart knows the truth. The secret we carry.
Okay, stand there, stand!
For freedom while he's standing there. Two sides of a line, but the same beating heart. In a world full of judgment, where do we start? He whispers, darling, don't lose your fire. But this love we share, it's walking a wire. She nods through her tears, holding his hand tight. In the still of the evening, their love takes flight. When the boy asks her mama, why are you sad? She smiles and says, life's not always so bad. But deep in her chest, the ache starts to grow for love that must hide, where no one can